So next we'll document a progress note. We'll go to Document and then we'll go to New. And here I can see my favorite documents. If I want to see the list of all documents, I'll go to Standard. I'll scroll down here and I have a couple of progress notes to choose from. I'm going to use the progress note APSO. So this has some structured material to it. It has a couple of buttons at the top of different sections for me to complete. I'll go to my assessment plan. And here I can select more problems and add qualifiers and locations and then put in an assessment plan. If I have any recent lab results, they'll flow into my Fishbones. And there's also a place for EKG and diagnostic imaging. And you can see that there are a couple of free text boxes where if I click on it, I'll be popped out to a free text box. Same idea here, additional planning notes. Then I'll go to subjective. And if I left click, it'll circle. If I want to unselect an item, I can click on it again. If I highlight the item, I can add a comment. I'll go to meds. Here I could drop my arrow to a free text spot again. I can use my data formats. I'll go to standard so I can see all of them. And I can find home meds or medications. I'll pull in medications as a table and select OK. And there are a lot of different data formats that you can choose from. I'll go to objective. If I left click, it'll circle. If it's highlighted, I can add a comment. And then I'll select View and Save. I'll expand my preview. And then I can mark it as a draft or I can mark it as signed. If I mark it as signed, I put in my PIN and it would sign the document. Drafts are available for the staff to see as you continue to work on them. And I'll select Save. I'd like to show you another type of progress note that you could use to document for your patients. So I'll go to New. I'll go to Standard. And this time I will choose the first progress note. And this is simply a free text. I click here and I can use my dragon or I can type out the entire note. And you can put whatever you would like. And that's all there is to this progress note. And then I would select View and Save. And I would sign my document or draft it and save.